welcome back to another ganap. Another ganap. So for today's ganap, pupunta lang kaming dance bike shop. Naku, budol na naman to. Anyways, I'll catch up with you later kasi baka mahulog ako sa hagdanan. Ito ko sa inyo yung past. Charot yung past talaga as a VA. And nagbigay ako ng idea kung saan makahanap ng VA jobs and where you can start looking for mga side gigs, mga pambayad sa OLA. Anyway, so for today naman, wala lang, quick vlog lang. Charot, quick. How quick is quick? Hi, Kuya Jay!
Hello.
Kuya Jay, may nagre-request pala sa'yo na sana mag-topic ka ng Uno Bank, tsaka, Maribank, dun sa kabila mong channel. And may nag-request din sa'yo na mag-discuss ka rin ng MP2, yung sa pag-ibig. So, kaka-activate ko lang ng virtual pag-ibig ko. We'll find out more soon. Charot. Wow! Yun, ano yung mga number one tips mo para sa mga VA?
You make yourself indispensable.
Oh, wow. That's deep.
Yeah, so meaning you should make sure that you always build value on whatever tasks you're doing or on your responsibilities for the company. Be it if you're a cold caller or transaction coordinator or whatever task you have, make sure that you don't settle for mediocrity and you always try to do your best. I know it's so easy to just do the minimum, but doing the minimum will also give you the minimum benefits. If you build value, your client will notice it, and of course, as your client grows, as your client's business grows, you will also grow with them. Most of the time, especially for American clients, they will want to share that growth with you. So, try to make yourself indispensable and grow along with your client.
Grabe, that's deep. Nangayayat yung kamay ko sa hawak ng camera. Okay, hindi kami mapapahamak sa nito ha. Sa LTO nito dahil ako yung tagahawak ng camera. Full concentration siya sa road. Ang bigat naman ng hugot ni Kuya Jay. Alam niyo guys, just a brief background na he's what do you call your position? Office manager. Tapos yung nagma-manage ng brokerage. Bali all around na talaga siya. Siya yung sa hiring. Siya na rin yung nagma-manage ng team. Siya na rin yung ma-manage ng buong brokerage na may 400 plus agents. Well, anyway, so mamaya na guys. Punta pa kaming dance. Parking lang guys. Ay, sorry. And here we are. Andito na tayong Dykes Dance Bike Shop. Wow. Morning! So, syempre. Alam, may Adidas na sila, oh. Oh my gosh. Yan, 50%. Hala ka cute. Parehas ang friend ko. Pink. Ay, hala. May Adidas na kamo. Kasi hindi ako maka-on eh. Yung on. Matigas kasi sa paa kapag above 10 km na. Meron ako ganito pero iba yung kulay. Pero mas ko talaga Mizuno or wait lang. Ito lang either Adidas or Mizuno. Meron akong ganito. Ito yung gamit ko yung last marathon and yun. Ay, ang cute. Ari, maganda. Ano ba yung latest mong budol? Sino yung may kasalanan? Ito ba? Si Sammy yung may kasalanan? Ito yung picture? Amo ni ang climbing bike mo? How light is it? Sige, picture muna.
Amin ko lang sa.
Sige. Ano yung sa likod?
Okay, sige. Game. Apang Taiwan kayo, kaya mali.
Okay na.
Ano na nga bike?
X-Lab. Grabe ako ng X.
Ama, ganon.
Grabe ako ng X.
Sino ex mo?
X-Lab.
Ito pala yung meron ako guys. So, kaso yun, paminsan-minsan, pang temporan. Kasi, ewan ko, depende kasi yan sa paa eh, matigas. Di mo na ako bibili ng sapatos. Kasi bumili ng bagong bike frame si Kuya Jay. Pero ito, ang cute-cute. Gusto ko talaga, oh. Ang nice. Pero ito, gusto ko rin. Maganda to. Hello! So nice. Ito yung meron ako di ba? Nasabi ko na pala kanina. Nakauwi na kami ng bahay. We're marked safe. Hindi ako nabudol na bumili ng bagong sapatos, guys. Dahil mahal din ha. And dapat deserve. So dapat next PR ko na lang siguro. Anyway, so yes, the deal's closed. Charot. May bagong climbing bike si Kuya Jay. Pero syempre, ibibenta niya yung isa niyang aero bike para i-offset yung cost. Anyways, mark safe, hindi kami kumain sa labas. Not only natipid, but at the same time, diet-friendly kapag sa bahay kumakain. Alam nyo naman, diet-conscious, weight-conscious kami because of the things that we do. Yung lifestyle namin as active, health-conscious individuals. Charot. Anyway, so dito nagtatapos yung ating vlog and sana may natutunan kayo sa tips sa pagiging VA from Kuya Jay. And well, subscribe for more videos like this and mga daily ganap sa buhay ko. I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye-bye!